They thought they bought a cheap house, but what they found beneath it was never meant to be discovered. Maya and Daniel just wanted a fresh start. So when they found an old house selling for almost nothing, they took it. But something felt off. The house was too quiet. The neighbors avoided them. Still, they ignored it. Until the second day, while breaking part of the living room wall, Daniel hit something hollow. Behind it was a small metal box. Inside, a map, but not of the town. It was a map of their house. And beneath it, one marked spot, with a warning, do not open the door. That night, curiosity took over. They checked the exact spot. The floor sounded hollow. They pried it open and found a metal door underneath. Cold, hidden, with a single handle. Daniel slowly pulled it open. A staircase appeared, leading deep underground. And from below, they heard something move. They should have stopped, but they didn't. With a flashlight, they went down. Each step felt wrong. Too quiet, too cold. At the bottom, a long hallway, walls covered in deep scratches, like something had tried to escape. Maya whispered, "We're not alone." Suddenly, the light flickered, and for a second, they saw it. A figure at the end of the hallway, standing still, watching them. Then, the light flickered again, and it was closer. They ran, back upstairs, slamming the door shut, terrified. "We're done. We're not going back." But later that night, Daniel looked at the map again. Hidden ink appeared, a list of names, all crossed out, except one, Maya. Before he could speak, bang, something hit the door from below. Again, and again. Then, a voice, soft, broken. "Maya." She froze. "That sounds like me." The handle began to turn. On its own, the door slowly opened, and a pale hand reached out, identical to hers. Then the voice spoke again, clear this time. "You were never supposed to leave." The lights went out. Everything went silent. The next morning, the house was empty. Maya and Daniel were gone, like they never existed. Days later, a new couple moved in. As they cleaned, the man tapped the wall. "Wait, did you hear that?" A hollow sound echoed back. "Would you open the door or walk away?" Like and subscribe for part 2.